What do you do, little girl? Well, hi, YouTube. I didn't see you there. That's a kind of a bad intro. Ouch! Good girl. You're a good girl, yeah. What? Good girl. Welcome everyone to another video. If y'all been following our YouTube and our Facebook, we got a new dog. And her name's Carolina, and she's the cutest thing in the world. I don't care if you think your dog's cute, ours is cuter. Anyways, we've been teaching her all sorts of stuff like shake and, you know, bow down, lay down, and sit, stay, all sorts of stuff. I might put that at the end of the video. But today I put it upon myself to teach her to memorize the sound of her toys. And now that I said that out loud, I'm ready to make some life changes. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We spent about 2 or 3 weeks on this, and we had a blast. So we have a blast making all our videos. So you know, hope you guys enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe, all that cliche stuff. And I don't really know how to transition from that. So yeah. Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one is it? Oh. Which is it? Which is it? No. No. Wow, she's actually doing it. Okay. Okay. Close your eyes. Look at me. Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one is it? No. No, it's not that one. Oh, now she's distracted. Ready? Which one is it? Which one is it? Dasher, stop.
Dasher, stop.
Which one is it? Look, we're hiding right here. She's jumping your head. Look, hold on, look. Look here.
You need to do it when Dasher's not in here.
It's not like you threw it at her or anything. No, don't look.
Don't look. You can't look. Okay, which one? Which one? Which toy? Which toy?
Which one is it? Oh, look at that stretch.
Which toy?
Which one is it? Good girl!
Good girl! She picked the right one! Yay! Which one?
Which one is it?
Which one?
Which one is it?
Oh, good girl! She did it again. Good
Hey,
girl.
it's the wrong one. Oh, now she's getting all
No,
of
she
them.
went to the blue one. Which one is it?
No. Hey, you cheated. You cheated, little girl.
Which one is it?
No. No. Oh, wait. She? Hey. That's not the right one. Over here.
Which one?
Hey. Here, girl.
It's
Get out.
Dasher. Okay, which one is it?
Good girl! Now look. Which one is it? Which one is it?
No.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
He's not looking, so. Get it. Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one is it? Not loud enough. Still not loud enough. Don't look. Yeah. Cheating. Which one is it? Which one?
No.
No.
Those two sound the same.
Those two are similar. Get it! Get it, Carolina. No, not him. Where is it? Get it. Get it.
Oh.
Oh, where's the duck?
Which one?
Yay!
Wait. Good.
She's not giving up the duck. Give up the duck.
She's
Hey,
gonna-
hey, hey.
She's not gonna kidding.
Up.
Good girl. Sit, shake, lay down, lay down. Good girl.
Sit. Shake. Stay. Lay down. Good. Stay. 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 Okay. Good.